टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ। ये एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो कि हर एक इंटरव्यू में सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन होता है। सो अप्रोचिंग इट स्मार्टली इज अ वे जो कि आई विल टेल यू टुडे। सो वेलकम बैक टू द प्रेप वाइज विद प्रिया। टुडे आई विल गाइड you through this question that how to approach tell me about yourself. For approaching it, I have a method name it. In the name it method, whenever we talk about the introduction, so it will be a more smart way to approach it. In the name it method, N stand for name and greeting. Whenever you start your introduction, start with a small polite greet so that interviewer can feel respected. And if they feel respected, so they will listen your whole introduction. So let's begin your introduction with the greet and your clear full name. Again, after name and greeting, the A comes. In the A, your academic background will be like talked. In your academic background, you can tell that whatever you are done in your 4 years, like what is your CGPA, what achievements you have like achieved, and the GPA and your college is too important to tell in academic background. And M stand for the mandatory skills you have earned in your entire college journey. So you have to tell your like particular skills, but like pointed that whenever you are telling some skills in your introduction, so definitely the question will be built on that skill. So tell truth on that topic. Apart from your mandatory skills, then come the section of experience and projects. So tell the experience you have earned, like any internship or project. Your personal project will be like explained that time. So if you are facing a technical interview, your personal project will be a like in a way that it can impact very positively to the interviewer, so that they can ask question accordingly. It is the NAME, and I stand for the interest and goal. Tell them your interest, your goal, and how it align with the company's objective. It is the main key of that introduction. And at last, T stand for the thank you, and your interview with a polite thank you message, like thank you for listening me and providing me this opportunity for introducing myself. So this is all about the name it method. Before we end up this session, I just want to give you some tips and tricks that first, make your introduction concise. Don't make it big, like it should be 2-3 minute our introduction. Another trick is that you have to maintain a fluency in your introduction. For that, you have to practice it daily, like practice it as loud as possible. Like it should be like that you are naturally and confidently telling it, instead of you are like again and again using same word, or it should be like you are reading something. It should not be like that. It should be like naturally and confident. And the last trick is that you have to maintain a smile and eye contact to the interviewer. So this is all about introducing yourself. So like if you like this video, share this video as much as possible, subscribe the video and hit the like button. Thank you so much.